I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your TanTan app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you're looking for TanTan app in this list. So just click on search. So then add it here, add TanTan app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on force stop, then you click on OK. So then you could then click here on storage, come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just reset your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.